Imagine this, one quiet day with no warning at all. Every volcano on Earth erupts at the exact same moment. Not just the famous ones like Yellowstone or Vesuvius, but all of them, from tiny underwater vents to massive supervolcanoes buried beneath continents. In a single second, our calm blue planet turns into a raging, fire-breathing monster. Today, we're re-exploring what would really happen if every volcano on Earth erupted at the same time, and why this scenario would be far worse than any Hollywood disaster movie. First, the explosions. More than 1,300 active volcanoes on land, and thousands more hidden beneath the oceans, detonate together. Cities near volcanoes, Naples, Seattle, Mexico City, Jakarta, Tokyo, are instantly hit by shockwaves, ash clouds, and pyroclastic flows hotter than 1,000 degrees Celsius. Millions of people living within just a few dozen kilometers of volcanoes have almost no chance to escape. But the true horror isn't just local, it's global. Massive ash plumes shoot tens of kilometers into the sky, punching through the atmosphere. Supervolcanoes like Yellowstone, Toba, and Campi Flegrei eject thousands of cubic kilometers of ash and gas in minutes. The sky darkens as sunlight struggles to break through a growing, swirling shroud of volcanic dust. Within hours, day turns into twilight across much of the planet. Planes can't fly. Satellites struggle to see the ground. Lightning storms rage inside ash clouds that stretch across entire continents. Then comes the poison. Volcanic eruptions don't just release ash, they release gases, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, chlorine, fluorine. Sulfur aerosols spread high in the atmosphere, reflecting sunlight back into space. Acid rain begins to fall, burning crops, contaminating water supplies, and corroding metal structures. Across the oceans, underwater eruptions send superheated water and toxic chemicals into the sea, killing marine life and triggering massive algal blooms. Coastal communities face tsunamis caused by undersea landslides and collapsing volcanic slopes. Within days, global temperatures begin to drop. Sunlight is blocked by a thick veil of ash and aerosols, creating a volcanic winter. The world experiences a sudden, brutal cold snap. Some regions may see temperature drops of 5 to 10 degrees Celsius or more. Growing seasons collapse, crops fail, food shortages turn into famines in a matter of months. At the same time, air quality plummets. Ash particles infiltrate lungs, machines, and buildings. People far from volcanoes struggle to breathe as fine dust settles over entire continents. Power stations, solar panels, and infrastructure clog and fail. Global trade grinds to a halt as ports shut down, ships are rerouted, and supply chains disintegrate. Humanity faces not one disaster, but a layered cascade. Heat and fire near volcanoes, ash and darkness in the sky, cold and famine across the globe. And this isn't over in a week. Some volcanic aerosols can stay in the atmosphere for years. Historical eruptions like Tambora and Krakatoa cooled the planet for seasons. Now imagine thousands of those at once. We could be looking at a volcanic winter lasting a decade or more. Civilizations would be forced to move underground, indoors, or into tightly controlled environments just to survive. Governments might collapse. Borders could shift. Entire regions would become uninhabitable. Eventually, the ash would settle, the sky would clear, and temperatures would slowly recover. But the world that emerges would not be the same. Ecosystems would be permanently altered. Many species would vanish. Human population could be drastically reduced. Our planet would carry a new geological scar, a layer of ash marking the moment everything nearly ended. So the real question is this: if every volcano on Earth erupted at once and the world began to choke, freeze, and fall apart, how far would humanity go to survive? And who would be left to rebuild what is left of our ruined Earth?